right? There is a famous line by Sergio Simon who says that the only purpose of marketing is to sell more to more number of people at more places at a higher price. Why do you think so many luxury automobile car brands have perfumes? 36-year low पे है liquor sales globally. You Gen Z people have ruined liquor companies, okay? China has done amazing things with EVs, amazing brands, and some of them are coming to India already. You already have MG, which is technically Chinese owned, although now they have become a minority partner, and JSW has become the major shareholder. That's what I read. But they have great EVs. They are coming to India. BYD is in India.
अच्छा आप ये बताओ किस ब्रांड की फ्रॉम इंडिया मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी बहुत तगड़ी थी, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दे आर वेरी सक्सेसफुल टुडे. So we have done multiple episodes about a lot of things, but I want to discuss at first that you have always told me that you love teaching. You enjoy that process of teaching and
Okay.
having
I
a
do,
conversation
absolutely,
with
yeah.
people. I want to know that why do you like teaching?
I get a kick when I'm able to explain something interesting to somebody. It's that simple, right? It started when I started doing sales. Initially, I was helping my father with his business, and I was doing sales in his exhibitions. I remember I was in school when I sort of started doing that, right? And from that time onwards, I've always enjoyed explaining about a product, about an idea, about a concept. So teaching actually happened by accident, because although I love doing this, I never thought of teaching as one of the options that I could take.
Correct.
Right? I was in sales, marketing, business development, where I was doing this on and off, depending on what my exact role was. Right? So I was talking about a product, right? I have talked about products like interlayers, which are something you use for making laminated glass. I have sold product or done awareness for products like insulation materials, right? I've worked for products where I've done leasing for malls. So all of those things, but the idea is the same, that you are essentially trying to convince somebody or explain to somebody some idea, some concept, right? And that's the same thing in classrooms as well, right? Whether I'm talking about marketing, whether I'm talking about business plans, whether I'm talking about strategy, the idea is I'm telling them something, I'm explaining to them something with the help of some real life examples. And when they get it, that gives me a lot of joy.
Correct.
Right? That makes me happy that अरे मेरी वजह से इसको समझा.
So I remember, so for the first time when I saw you, it was when you were teaching us managing money in second year of college.
Okay.
And you entered, and जो भी वो 2 घंटे 3 घंटे का सेशन था, so it was happening once a week.
Right.
3 घंटे का सेशन था.
Correct.
And in that session you were, so obviously first session है तो you are explaining everything that you're going to teach and all.
Yeah.
At the end you were like, see, I'm not going to run behind your marks and all. I want to make sure that once you're done with the course, जब आप न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रहे हो business related, तो आपको सब कुछ समझ आ रहा है. That is my ultimate goal. So that at that point itself, I understood that his way of going ahead with how he wants to teach is very different from most of the teachers around me.
Right.
Okay, that was never the case I saw with any other teacher. There are a lot of teachers I love, जिनसे मैंने पढ़ा है और बहुत I enjoyed a lot. But this was a different kind of way to teach. Second thing, it was also easy for students around you to connect with you. So there was an easy way to come to you and talk about anything that they want to talk about. So even if that's a dumb question, they know that it's okay if I ask that. So you gave that opportunity as well. So these are 1-2 things that I really liked. And it was also easier for me to then, engage in the class, which our followers are not engaging with our content.
So flattery will get you everywhere. So please keep flattering me. But yeah, I mean, students do tell me that they, I'm easy to approach. They like learning from me, and that makes my day. I love that, and I keep getting that appreciation, love, affection from my students. That's what makes this so much fun. But coming back to your original point about managing money, for example, that course specifically was the idea behind the course was that there should be a basic financial literacy among students, which is why I gave that specific example in class, that when you read a Financial Times or a Mint, the newspaper Mint, you should be able to at least understand what is written, you know.
Correct.
So the idea behind that course was that it should not be too theoretical, it shouldn't be too technical. It should be something where somebody says, "Acha, company ka IPO aa raha hai," so he's able to broadly understand what that means. If they say a company is going bankrupt, they should understand, "Acha, matlab lagbhag ye ho raha hai." That basic concept which we hear all around us and often don't understand, right? कि you know, अरे ये कंपनी बहुत ग्रो हुआ, मतलब क्या हुआ exactly? ग्रो हुआ यानी बहुत सारे लोग आ गए कि उसका फैक्ट्री ऐसा बढ़ गया, ऐसा वॉल्स बड़े हो गए क्या उसके, मतलब कंपनी ग्रो हो रहा है, मतलब क्या? Lot of people don't understand it fully, right? So idea in that course was to give all of those concepts, right? And one day we can have a podcast and go through maybe those concepts as well. So that's the first part. And the approachable part, yeah, I try to see, I feel that there is anyway a hesitation in any class for a student to ask questions, right? So I have to go the extra mile by maybe making jokes, by being friendlier.
Jokes, yeah.
Yeah. कभी कभी मारता हूँ मैं, ज़्यादा नहीं. So the idea behind it is that student then has that confidence कि मैं कुछ भी पूछूंगा चलेगा. It is not some serious guy who will say कि अरे तेरे को ये भी नहीं मालूम, right? Because see, you are there in the classroom because you don't know something.
Correct.
Would you want to be in a classroom where you know the subject? I mean, waste of time.
Until you
100%
unless you are a narcissist and
then you just want to say, yes, or I know.
पता है हर बार हाथ उठाने का है.
Right. So that's the point. I want to be in a class as a student where I don't know anything. I remember back in B school when I was at ISB, the subjects I enjoyed the most were subjects that I hadn't been exposed to much, right? There was a statistics course. We had great professors teaching that. Business statistics was the name of the course, if I remember. And it was challenging for me, but I learned so much. Hardcore, proper statistics, right? So courses, there was another course, very difficult one called Options and Futures. And I took it just so that I could learn, so that I could expose myself to that side, although my major was marketing and strategy. But I wanted to understand that course. It was very tough for me. I'm sure I must have asked a lot of dumb questions. But I also learned so much. It helped me, help my financial perspective or my perspective on strategy or business. So that's what I want. I want that perspective to change. And that again is what gives me the kick, that I'm getting a perspective because of somebody else. कि अच्छा इसकी वजह से अब मैं दुनिया को इस तरह से देख रहा हूँ या बिजनेस को इस तरह से देख रहा हूँ.
Okay, understood. You mentioned that ये already ऐसा है that students hesitate to go and ask questions to their teachers. Why do you think? What is the reason behind it?
Especially in the course, in liberal arts course, right? Or in an MBA course, the background of different students is different. So there's always that hesitation कि यार बाकी लोग को मालूम है, मुझे ही नहीं मालूम है.
Okay, so
Right.
the issue is not with how the teacher would react. It's about
That
maybe
also could be.
people around me know better.
हाँ मतलब that's why I think it's a dumb question, right?
हाँ.
Dumb question का मतलब क्या सब लोग हंसेंगे? I feel that's
okay.
where I'm coming from. See, of course, in case of professor, if he has taught the same thing before, he might get angry. But other than that, I think everybody is happy to explain. But I think that hesitation, that shyness, in many cases comes from अरे मेरे दोस्त हंसेंगे, बोलेंगे अरे इसका मालूम नहीं है कुछ. तो वो whatever the reason. See, the point is, doesn't matter what the reason is, right? It's my job to make sure that everybody, like you said, is comfortable coming to me saying, sir, नहीं समझा. Because I'm coming there to explain, right? So, I mean, I often tease my students. I tell them, hey, maybe you could have asked me and I would have answered, right? That's my job, right? So don't assume, ask. that should be your philosophy in life, right? Even when you're a client, don't assume.
मैंने
कि अरे
सोचा,
हाँ अरे यार ये client तो इतना पैसा नहीं दे पाएगा, पूछो ना.
Correct.
दो ना ज़्यादा रेट, देखो ना क्या होता है.
Correct.
You know, I mean, otherwise how will you move ahead? So it's good ask. ठीक है, it's okay. You have that, by the way. You have a lot of that. You never get into that. अरे नहीं कैसा लगेगा? You ask. That's why I learned so much. I have never seen you think कि नहीं फिर ऐसा होगा तो वैसा होगा. You are hungry to learn. That's why you are asking people questions.
Yes, I think I am a curious guy.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. All you didn't know कैसे रहा का meaning, but yeah, you're. We'll cut this out. We'll cut this out.
वही मैं तो बस गाना सुन के मदहोश हो जाता हूँ केसरा ऐसा. हाँ, तो कोई भी टीचर सारे सब्जेक्ट्स तो पढ़ाएगा नहीं. That teacher has to select certain kind of subjects. So first tell me what all subjects you like teaching or what all things you like teaching about.
Okay, interesting. So yeah, my liking interest has been towards marketing strategy because that's what I majored in. That's what I found interesting, right? So I started with marketing strategy. The first course I taught. Actually, I started with GMAT Verbal.
Okay.
So I was looking to do something new, something interesting, and I ended up first working as a instructor, teacher, teaching GMAT Verbal many years back, and then eventually became a partner in that business, a startup that worked for a few years. Then the other founder decided to close it down. The founder decided to close it down, actually. After that, somehow through some references, I got a chance to teach in MET in Bandra.
Okay.
They had an EMBA program, so I was teaching marketing strategy there.
Okay.
Right? Again,
So
because that was my
just
major.
briefly,
Yeah.
in few lines, can you tell me what do you teach in marketing strategies?
Oof, briefly. Okay.
मतलब एक layman terms में कि हाँ किसी को समझ आ जाए.
Okay. So essentially, see, a lot of times what people think of as marketing is actually advertising or marketing communications, right? Like most of people think, अरे ये marketing, क्या अच्छा marketing किया है. When you see a good ad, people say, अरे क्या marketing किया. You can think of that as the last step,
Okay.
in a way, right? So marketing strategy is all the things that happen in the back end to an extent. मतलब क्या? So it starts with understanding the environment and doing market research, right? So market research कैसे करना चाहिए? That is also strategy. किस तरह के
बेसिकली
customers,
कंज्यूमर का साइकोलॉजी
Correct.
वो सब मार्केटिंग
कौन सा
स्ट्रेटजी का
consumer,
पार्ट
कौन सा
होगा.
consumer के पीछे जाना है, marketing strategy का पार्ट तो.
हाँ.
Look, honestly speaking, except for the advertising or even the advertising, everything is market strategy.
Okay.
There is nothing which you can say कि ये strategy नहीं है. Every marketing action you take should be strategic, should be well planned, because strategy essentially means a well thought of plan. अगर आप strategy word का definition देखो, it is a series of steps which are part of a plan.
So can we say from the point of production till the point of
No, much before production. Much before.
okay, even
See,
the plan
I'll
of
tell you.
launching a product is
हाँ.
okay.
If you, for example, ideal world, प्रणव से यार मुझे कुछ तो बना के बेचना है.
तो वहां से मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी
तो अभी
स्टार्ट हो चुका है.
Correct. जब तो फर्स्ट स्टेप को क्या होगा, किसको बेचूं, ये
हाँ,
स्ट्रेटेजी.
करेक्ट. ठीक.
अच्छा, मुझे ना कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स को बेचना है. ओके, रिसर्च करो, कैसे रिसर्च करो, स्ट्रेटेजी है. फिर वो जो रिसर्च का रिजल्ट्स आया है उसको एनालाइज करके एक प्रोडक्ट डेवलप करना, दैट इज द कोर ऑफ द स्ट्रेटेजी, राइट?
अंडरस्टूड.
कि भाई ये चार, लाइक जैसे हम लोग अभी थोड़ी देर पहले बात कर रहे थे, प्रोटीन शेक, प्रोटीन बार.
हाँ.
किसी ने तो इसका स्ट्रेटेजी बनाया ना,
हाँ,
कि यार देखो,
हाँ,
पीपल वांट समथिंग हेल्दी, इट हैज टू हैव प्रोटीन एंड इट शुड बी इजी टू कंज्यूम.
हाँ.
तभी जाके प्रोटीन बार बना या प्रोटीन शेक बना. तो ये मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटेजी से ही निकला हुआ है ना. सो मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटेजी स्टार्ट इज थ्रू आउट द मार्केटिंग प्रोसेस, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम कौन कंज्यूमर है, वो कंज्यूमर के नीड्स क्या है, वो नीड को हम किस तरह से फुलफिल करेंगे, क्या प्रोडक्ट बनाएंगे, उसका क्या ब्रांड बनाएंगे, कैसे उसको अपील करेंगे, उसका प्राइसिंग क्या करेंगे, उसको कहाँ बेचेंगे. ऑल ऑफ दिस इज मार्केटिंग
A to Z.
A to Z. क्या नहीं है मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटेजी? इज देयर फ्यू थिंग्स यू कैन से, हाँ यार ये ये शायद स्ट्रेटेजी नहीं है,
समझा.
बट बाकी एवरीथिंग एल्स इज मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटेजी. जो नहीं है ना उसको मार्केटिंग टैक्टिक्स बोलते हैं.
तो पहला पॉइंट जहां आपके दिमाग में आया कि कुछ तो बनाना है,
करेक्ट.
टिल द पॉइंट यू सोल्ड इट टू द कस्टमर.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
पूरा फ्रॉम A to Z है ये पूरा मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी का.
बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर सेलिंग, कहाँ बेचोगे, आप EMI ऑफर दोगे क्या, राइट? आप क्रेडिट कार्ड लोगे क्या? ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, राइट? यू कैन गो एज डीप एज यू वांट.
समझा.
Will you sell directly through your own stores? Apple does that. You can only buy through Apple stores. अभी of course in India you get it through Croma and other stores.
अब तो
But
6
for a-
स्टोर्स खोल
हाँ,
दिए.
तो उन्होंने खुद भी खोले.
हाँ.
But for a long time Apple was only stored in Apple stores. That's a strategy, right? ऐसे ही नहीं किया उसने. I mean, a lot of your viewers might have seen those beautiful Apple stores that are there in New York, for example.
हाँ.
Right? इतना खर्चा क्यों किया? This is a strategy. This is a plan.
Yeah.
कि भाई आदमी अगर प्रोडक्ट लेने को आता है तो
It's an experience.
हाँ,
That is how they sell it.
मैं कुछ अलग ले रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
So this is also strategy, controlling the entire experience. So there is nothing that you can say, hey, ये तो strategy नहीं थी, ऐसे ही कर दिया किसी ने. Even the name, the color, the logo, all of that is part of strategy. That's called brand strategy.
Okay.
So marketing strategy में what I find most enjoyable is the more you read, the more you can say, अरे यार मुझे तो कुछ भी मालूम नहीं, मुझे और सीखना है. It doesn't get old. It doesn't get like, ये क्या है, मुझे सब मालूम.
और ज्यादा फैसिनेटिंग लगता है.
Fascinating लगता है.
हाँ.
Or and because newer brands, more interesting brands are always coming, you find more and more interesting examples to study and analyze कि हाँ देख इसने ऐसा किया इसलिए ये वर्क हुआ, इसने ये किया इसलिए ये वर्क हुआ, you know. So I mean we can talk specific examples, right? Like why did Under Armour succeed? Why did Under Armour suddenly become so successful? Or Hoka become so successful? Or On become so successful?
अच्छा आप ये बताओ किस ब्रांड की फ्रॉम इंडिया
हाँ
मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी बहुत तगड़ी थी, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दे आर वेरी सक्सेसफुल टुडे?
अभी off the top of my head you are just discussing Super U.
हाँ
Not just brand, overall strategy was great मेरे हिसाब से, from tying up with someone like Ranveer Singh, but also the product itself I believe is very good. Because see, good marketing, good hype can get somebody to try the product once. Nobody's going to keep buying because अरे hype बहुत है उसमें. And especially something like a protein bar, there are enough protein bars which have a very bad taste or which are hard to digest or have so many other issues or badly priced even some cases, right? So they have to get everything right. But as far as I can see and the way they are growing, I don't have the numbers of the top of my head के revenues कितने हुए वगैरह. But the way they have started and grown, I think it's really good strategy that I can see. But I think if we dive deeper, we can probably find many more brands which are doing that. There is a sneaker brand called Gully Labs,
Okay.
sports shoes brand.
Okay.
Indian brand, and in fact they are drawing on the Indian designs etc. in their stores. We can maybe show some of their designs. I think the name is Gully Labs. So they are making sports shoes, but very Indian kind of, the Indian ethos and all that.
Okay.
So again, trying to do something unique because there are a bunch of Indian sports shoe brands which are coming up. But these guys are somehow trying to set themselves apart, and they seem to be working. Again, I don't know revenues at the top of my head, but Gully Labs is doing well in the sports shoes kind of segment.
Okay, one more question before we move ahead. So, एक हो गया marketing strategy and one is the revenue.
Okay.
Are these interconnected or not?
Have to be.
Okay.
If your marketing strategy is not talking about how much you will make, then it's not strategy. You can't just be creative. You can't just say I will use cool colors, great fonts, I will use this celebrity. Right? There is a famous line by Sergio Simon who says that the only purpose of marketing is to sell more to more number of people at more places at a higher price. And so on and so forth. There is no other purpose for it. So if you are not selling more to more people, more number of times and at higher prices, then what are you doing? Everything in your strategy has to lead up to this.
Okay.
बाकी ख्यालो खाब है, बाकी सब is nice to hear. मेरा ad क्या cool था. He famously withdrew ads, Coca-Cola ad from the Super Bowl because he said कि यार sale नहीं बढ़ रहा है. Why should I spend so much? It was like a very
Super
big
Bowl
move.
is a big thing.
Big thing. उसके लिए specially ads बनते हैं. Started running the ad, but he was not getting more sales, and he said, "निकाल दो नहीं, मुझे नहीं खर्चा करना है इस पे."
So he was in the sales department of Coca-Cola.
No, he was the CMO, the Chief Marketing Officer.
Of Coca-Cola.
Which is why it's great that a marketing officer says, "नहीं ठीक है, marketing is great, but end of the day, am I selling more to more people? Higher
मेरा
price,
output
more-
बढ़ रहा है क्या?
हाँ.
Correct. ठीक
Bottom
है.
line,
हाँ.
you can do it by engaging, by creating loyal users, by creating emotional appeal. There's a lot of people who are very emotional about brands, but end में वो emotion से वो motion हो रहा है क्या money का? Motion to motion of money.
Yeah.
वो नहीं हो रहा है तो फिर I love the brand लेकिन मैं नहीं खरीदता. तो क्या फायदा बस? Why do you think so many luxury automobile car brands have perfumes?
They want to be seen.
नहीं.
No?
इमोशनल कनेक्ट ऑलरेडी है,
हाँ.
लेकिन बहुत सारे लोग तो फेरारी नहीं ले पाएंगे कभी, बेंटली नहीं ले पाएंगे कभी, बट
तो at
परफ्यूम
least
तो ले
this is
सकते
what
हैं.
they can own. हाँ कि यार देखो मेरे
अदरवाइज हाउ डज द ब्रांड बेनिफिट? तू जिंदगी भर बोलेगा आई लव बेंटली खरीदेगा नहीं.
आपका word of mouth बढ़ता है. There's higher chance
क्या
of.
फर्क पड़ेगा बेंटली को तेरे जैसे लोग के वर्ड ऑफ
This is a part of their marketing strategy.
This is a way for them to make money of it. Hard cash. नहीं तो तेरे जैसे सी बेंटली इज नेवर गोइंग टू बी मास कार, राइट? दे आर नेवर गोइंग टू से बेंटली मिनी बनाई हमने भाई 15 लाख में 20 लाख में,
हाँ,
तो कभी
ये
नहीं करेंगे.
small consumer product है.
हाँ, जिससे तुझे भी ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे पास भी बेंटली का कुछ है या फेरारी का कुछ है, तो उनको पैसा मिल रहा है ना तेरे
और आप
लॉयल्टी
ये
से.
बल्क में बेचते हो तो there's more and more cash.
And it's
Yeah,
pure
correct.
royalty for them because remember these perfumes, we've talked about this in perfume podcast, right? I'm sure you guys have watched it already. So this is pure royalty for them. मतलब it's pure profit. Somebody else makes those perfumes, right? But these guys can get some money of that loyalty. And obviously you as a consumer, me as a consumer says, हाँ यार मैंने Ferrari का perfume use किया, क्या मजा आ गया. And so many, Porsche has a line, Bentley has a line, Ferrari, Jaguar has a line. So many brands have fragrance lines. That's one way for them to capture that, extract value from the consumer. That's marketing strategy again.
समझा. So you taught marketing strategies.
That was like my first, yeah.
So do you still teach marketing strategies?
Yes, I do. In fact,
Okay.
I teach business strategies.
And
Yes,
so
close enough.
since when are you teaching marketing strategies? कितने साल हो गए लगभग?
So that marketing strategy was my first subject that I taught, which is in 2013.
So you are teaching it since past 13 years.
Yes, correct.
Okay. Every year, do you teach this every year? Yeah.
No, so I taught initially at that college. Then I am teaching now even at a couple of colleges in NMIMS. Right. So different subjects. I teach marketing basics, like you mentioned, managing money. Another interesting course is ideas to business plan. So bunch of courses. The courses sometimes keep changing.
Are these similar?
No, so these are different parts of business, right? So since I'm an entrepreneur, I run my own business. I have an understanding of entrepreneurship. I have worked with startups, so I understand what it takes to have a business plan, etc. Marketing strategy, like I told you, that's essentially what my interest is, and something I've worked on also. I've done marketing strategy for companies. I've done business development for companies. So those areas I know the theory and the practical. For me, the criteria to teach a course is simple. Do I understand the concepts or the theories properly? And do I have at least some exposure to that? I don't enjoy teaching courses where I have never really used them, where I've never really used the concepts, used the theories, seen the effects. To me, it gets very academic, very technical. ये ऐसा होता है, मैंने तो नहीं किया, होता होगा. When I teach, I like to teach it in a way where I'm able to connect it with examples. Preferably examples where I have done something or I've seen it happen.
From a practical standpoint.
हाँ, मतलब ये हुआ है, ये strategy है ना, ये framework है ना, ये work होता है.
I remember this. So if you are teaching a concept, you had one slide of the concept and multiple slides of the brands or any other thing that were.
Correct. नहीं तो then it becomes like क्या बोलते हैं उसको हम लोग, मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, सुनो.
अच्छा.
This is like proof, right? See, this brand did it, therefore this happened. This brand does it, therefore this happened, right? If I tell you कि ये, let's say if I tell you that in a brand which is related to fast food, you should use yellow and red because those colors generally work.
So then
Then I'll show you McDonald's. I'll show you KFC.
Yeah.
ये red color. So I have to give them proof. I can't just say हाँ ये color work होते हैं. मैं बोल रहा हूँ लिखो. But that example, it's important to give so that the person connects it and then he remembers it. Next time he sees a McDonald's, he's like, हाँ right. वो that's the best way to remember ना. जैसे अभी I'm teaching managing money now this year. So when we are talking about IPOs, we talk about Lenskart because Lenskart IPO is scheduled. या जिसका समझो Zomato का IPO आया कुछ साल पहले. तो that makes sense ना. Then people say हाँ right.
बोट का आने वाला है.
बोट का आने वाला है. But yeah. So then it makes sense to discuss those.
Correct.
If I just say IPO and example नहीं दूंगा, तुम भूल जाओगे.
So, like we were discussing also about branding. How is, first of all, what is branding and how is branding like a part of, let's say, marketing strategies or being a part of your business plan or whatever it is?
Lovely. So, very interestingly, first of all, branding. The word actually comes from, cattle. Cattle, because you had to know कि मेरा cattle कौन सा है back in the day. You would actually use a hot iron bar with your logo, with your initial on it,
and then
which would heat it up and उसको So a good way to remember it is bad for cattle, good for business. That's how branding came, right? You would literally brand them with के मेरा है, मेरा property. In business, I believe it started somewhere in Belgium or Netherlands, where people who were making bone china, porcelain dishes, porcelain ware, जो कि हाई एंड होता था, वो अपना नाम उस पर पीछे की तरफ लगाने लगे, saying कि ये मेरा है, because it was workmanship. जैसे देखो मेरा workmanship is better than the others. So that started. Then you had it in leather goods. कोई leather के shoes बना रहा है. Back in the day before, so if you look at the way world would work before industrialization, right? ऐसा use and throw नहीं था, fast fashion नहीं था. If you bought a jacket, if you bought a pair of shoes, you were like, boss, मुझे अभी 20 साल चलाना है, 30 साल चलाना है, repair करके मैं चलाऊंगा उसको. That's how the world was. In fact, one of the very famous ultra luxury brands called Hermes, right? Their first product was saddles,
Okay.
horse saddles. That's what they're making.
Okay.
That's how they started.
Hmm.
And their saddles were considered to be मतलब the best.
The best. Okay.
और उनका बहुत साल तक ऐसा पॉलिसी था, आई डोंट नो इफ दे स्टिल हैव इट, दैट हमारा सैडल कितना भी पुराना हो, इफ यू सेंड इट बैक टू अस, वी विल रिपेयर इट एंड सेंड इट बैक, बिकॉज वी बिलीव इट इज फॉरएवर. इतना हमने अच्छा बनाया वो.
Hmm.
तो जब वो हो गया कि भाई मेरा क्वालिटी तुमसे बेटर है, तो हाउ डू यू मेक श्योर कि मेरा ये क्वालिटी है, तो तुमको उस पर तुम्हारा नाम लगाना पड़ेगा. नहीं तो लोगों को ऐसा पता चलेगा.
Correct.
पीपल विल लुक एट इट एंड से हाँ यार इसका क्वालिटी देखो कितना चला. सो दैट्स वेयर ब्रांडिंग स्टार्ट.
Hmm.
Now, today, the way we understand branding is completely different, right? It's basically a logo, a name, even a jingle, even a color, which evokes certain emotions. There are many definitions of branding, and that I think people can look up. But essentially, it's where you look at a symbol or a word, and it brings some 3-4 things in your head quickly, right? Let's do that with you.
Okay.
So, abhi maine bola McDonald's.
French fries.
French fries, right? So, उनका brand mantra, for example, it's food, folks, fun.
Okay.
Internally, that's what they're about.
Huh.
Food, folks, यानी कि families, people, and fun. That's why you have the Ronald McDonald, the clown.
Huh.
You have those bright colors.
हाँ,
You have happy meals. So, their idea is that. यही सब आता है ना हमारे दिमाग में. That means it's a good brand. Because उनको जो चाहिए French fries, again, that's, and you smiled when you said that. Comfort food. It's fun. It's not serious, right? Nobody forces you to eat French fries.
Correct.
People stop you from eating it, usually. Right? So, if you say Nike, sports, right? That's authentic athletic performance. That's their brand mantra, for example. Authentic athletic performance. So, sports. हाँ, Nike मतलब sports. अब मैं इधर बैठ के तुमसे बातें कर रहा हूँ, फिर मैं खाना खाऊंगा, घर जाऊंगा, मैं स्पोर्ट्स नहीं खेलूंगा. But in my mind, sports.
Yeah.
Right? So that is what a brand should be. We can keep going. Like Disney,
Fantasy.
cartoons, happiness. If
Animation.
people animation, enjoyment, happiness. मतलब कुछ sadness नहीं है life में. Everything is great. Right? Happy places. If I remember correctly, Disney theme parks. They are called the happiest places. Their aim is to be the happiest places in the world.
Yeah.
कि उधर लोग जाएं तो they'll forget all this.
Thailand has a Disney park, right?
I don't
Some
remember all
park
that.
they have. I don't know.
Disney
Singapore.
World, there is one in Hong Kong.
Okay.
I don't think it's Thailand, it's Disney.
Maybe
Disney
Singapore.
World is in,
Singapore
Singapore has
has one.
Universal. They don't have
Universal,
Disney.
yes.
Universal. Right? It's all, Disney was the first. Now you have Universal and other people starting it. Ferrari ने भी चालू किया है Abu Dhabi में. Ferrari World.
Okay.
Right, but Disney was the first. Back
सारे
then,
F1 fans जाएंगे
हाँ,
Ferrari.
back then it was unheard of. ये concept ही नहीं था.
एक किसी को तो चालू करना पड़ेगा.
See,
Just like Apple starts
हाँ.
everything.
See, amusement park थे. I'm not saying they started amusement parks. मतलब आपका वो roller coaster, Ferris wheel ये था. Somewhere, and this is Walt Disney himself who got this idea. Why can't I incorporate my characters? So you are not going to a roller coaster anymore. You are going, मैं बना रहा हूँ, you are going on Mickey Mouse का train या Goofy का train. So it's no longer just an amusement park. So, like I said, definitions you can get a lot with brands, but basic idea ये है कि you are creating this one image, which is a combination of a logo or a design, a particular color, a particular name, and some kind of a tagline, right? Just do it, I'm loving it, connecting people, जो भी तुमको करना है. That together should occupy a particular space in a consumer's mind, which is unique and desirable. Unique in a good way, not unique in a bad way. कि यार ये तो मैं नहीं खरीदूंगा. Right? Unique in a good way, where people say, अरे यार ये तो मतलब this brand is different. That's the aim. And then of course staying relevant. That is even more difficult. कि एक बार तुमने बना लिया, but then everyone else is also trying. Nobody just sitting कि हाँ नहीं भाई ये अभी तो brand है, हम तो अभी कुछ नहीं करेंगे. So this is known as positioning of the brand, creating a very unique, differentiable and positive association where people think of, so जैसे Dove. When you say gentle soap, you think of Dove. In the consumer's mind, bulk of the consumers, even consumers like me who are not the TG's target group for Dove, also have that image. That's a strong brand. कि वो image बन गया है. Now what are the advantages of that? Now because it started with just a soap, because it's such a strong brand, now you can have moisturizer also. You can have a, they have Dove
You
men's
can diversify
deo.
your portfolio.
Dove men's deo.
Okay.
क्योंकि इवन मेन नो कि यार ये जेंटल है स्किन पे. इंडिया में नहीं आया अभी तक, बिकॉज यू चेक इट आउट, दे हैव एन एंटायर लाइन ऑफ मेंस डिओड्रेंट. अगेन द सेम लॉजिक कि भाई आपके स्किन को प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे. दैट्स द एडवांटेज. इमेजिन गोइंग फ्रॉम जस्ट वन सोप टू एन एंटायर लाइन एंड इवन गोइंग इनटू मेंस लाइन एज वेल. सो दैट्स द एडवांटेज ऑफ हैविंग दैट स्ट्रॉन्ग ब्रांड. थिंक अबाउट नाइकी. ठीक है, स्पोर्ट्स शूज बनाते हैं, ओनली स्पोर्ट्स शूज बनाते हैं, फॉर्मल शूज भी नहीं बनाते. But then they make so much of sportswear, right?
Sportswear, हाँ.
They make clothes, they make goggles, they even have licenses to make watches, perfumes, just because the brand is so strong.
Correct.
Right? So that is branding, creating that association where people just look at that name and say, अरे इसका तो अच्छा ही होगा, या ये मुझे चाहिए. It's sometimes it's not even अच्छा होगा. It is how it makes you think about yourself, right? Or something like Starbucks, such a big status symbol. अभी आजकल थोड़ा उनका अच्छा नहीं चल रहा है, बट a couple of years ago, जिसको बॉलीवुड में बोलते हैं ना, बेताज बादशाह थे वो.
Correct.
There was nothing close to Starbucks.
Correct.
And what people don't realize with Starbucks is they created this idea that I should go to some coffee place, get a fancy coffee type beverage. A lot of their coffees are not coffee, right? You add vanilla, you add whipped cream. Coffee कहीं पे होता है उसमें जिसका शायद टेस्ट भी नहीं आता for a lot of their beverages. But this
Very
idea,
diluted.
very diluted with a lot of other flavors. But this idea that I'll carry this cup with their distinct green logo on it is something Starbucks invented. And they were able to grow, create that huge brand loyalty with respect to Starbucks. जहाँ पे कोई नहीं था. Nobody, number two never became strong. There is no other brand, and please write in the comments if you find another brand globally. There are brands in specific regions which compete with Starbucks. Right. So if you come to India,
Which is the
there are different
closest?
brands. In my mind, probably closest
Hortons.
में Tim Hortons.
Again,
Not everywhere, but Tim Hortons is one. Costa Coffee could be another. You have
Watch our reel on Costa Coffee, guys.
like in India, you had Barista long back, जो अभी भी है, but not as big. You had your CCD, right, which grew a lot.
So Starbucks have more than 1,000 outlets in India.
In India, and I don't think so.
No, or across the globe.
Across the globe easily. In India, not so much. I don't know the exact number of outlets of Starbucks. I remember when they started, because they are in partnership with Tata in India, right? So when they started, they said we'll only be in the tier 1 cities and we'll have 2 or 3 outlets per city. And you go to BKC itself now, there are 3 outlets just in BKC.
Yeah.
More than 3.
अरे जुहू में ही near the theater, पृथ्वी theater.
So
इसके बाजू में और तुरंत उधर पास में ही है.
I think we should definitely write down the number of outlets as of the date of recording or at the date of editing, because we have grown like crazy in India. And I think they are doing well. I think they are doing very well in India. Despite the recent issues with the political angle to it, I think they are doing
I
well.
don't think it is at all bothering them.
Yeah, I mean, revenue-wise, I don't know if it has affected. But see, there has been थोड़ा सा digress कर रहा हूँ मैं. There has been a softening in the urban retail consumption space थोड़ा सा last year or so in India. Overall retail consumption by people has gone down a little.
तो वो disposable income ही नहीं है ना उतनी.
हाँ, या तो ग्रो नहीं हो रही है, या तो इन्फ्लेशन का फटका बैठा है, तो वो एक अलग एंगल है. बट बाय एंड लार्ज आई थिंक Starbucks is been successful in India because of that brand. Now imagine the brand has been created in the US. But that जो हम लोग बात कर रहे थे ना, यूनिक, फेवरेबल, डिस्टिंक्टिव एसोसिएशन, वो सब जगह पे है Starbucks का, कि हाँ यार ये कॉफ़ी, प्रीमियम कॉफ़ी, आई एम वर्थ इट, आई डिजर्व गुड कॉफ़ी. That I mean, you can pick any brand from any sector and you can understand that brand positioning. कोई भी एक brand. That's what branding is supposed to be.
Okay, so tell me if I am correct. Branding is basically, so whatever image or logo you have, when people are looking at it and whatever your mantra is, it is directly clicking them.
Correct. 2 sides. There is a nice brand pyramid which talks about this on an emotional side and a rational side. What I mean by that is rationally,
as an aspirational,
emotional यानी अरे कितना प्यारा है, या अरे I love this, and functionally या rationally, this gives me, like for example in case of Red Bull, चलो let's move to another.
it really gives me wings.
हाँ, it gives you that, अरे मुझे बहुत काम है, एक स्टूडेंट है, यंग प्रोफेशनल है, अरे मुझे बहुत काम है यार, चलना एक रेड बुल पीता हूँ and I'll get it sorted. So ये फंक्शनल है. ये functional है. But on the emotional side, it's अरे fun.
Yeah.
Gives me wings.
Red Bull, bro.
Gives me wings. Right? It's that funny, cool element also. So good brand is that, and that's why Red Bull is a good brand. Is, you know, the founder of Red Bull is one of, if not the richest person in Thailand.
Yeah.
And we have a
We made a video on that as well.
Are you going to put this? So it was
कुछ भी नहीं चला.
नहीं, that was one of our early successes on YouTube.
Like
10K. I
So
think.
that is our success.
So that's a good brand where you have an emotional reaction and also functionally or rationally you are able to say, हाँ यार ये करता है. Only emotional will not work. Only rational might work in some cases, but both है तो you are safe.
अब जैसे इतने सदियों से, मतलब स्पेशली आफ्टर इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन, इतने सारे ब्रांड्स आ गए, इतने सारे फील्ड के ब्रांड्स आ गए. इवन देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ कंपिटिटर्स, देयर आर मोनोपोलीज, देयर आर ओलिगोपोलीज, सो मैनी. अब मुझे कोई ब्रांड लॉन्च करना है. अब मेरे दिमाग में कोई मंत्र आया, ऑलरेडी किसी ने किसी ब्रांड ने ले रखा है.
Right.
तो मेरे पास, मतलब एक होता है ना, आफ्टर अ सर्टेन पॉइंट देयर इज नो बैंडविड्थ लेफ्ट.
Okay.
तो अब अगर मैं अपना ब्रांड लॉन्च कर रहा हूँ,
हाँ.
कोई भी चीज़ का, तो मैं कैसे मेक श्योर करूँ कि मेरा मंत्रा थोड़ा हटके हो
Okay.
और वो
Okay.
टेकन ना हो किसी ना किसी ब्रांड द्वारा. अब मैं अगर फॉर एग्जांपल लिकर ब्रांड ही अगर कोई लॉन्च कर रहा है, इतने सारे लिकर ब्रांड्स हैं, इतने सारे इंडियन लिकर ब्रांड्स हैं, भले वो सक्सेसफुल हो ना हो, बट अगेन अगर मैं वो यूज़ किया, इट इज़ ऑलरेडी देयर, देन फिर वो ट्रेडमार्क का झटका, कॉपीराइट का झटका, ये सारी चीज़ें आती हैं.
Okay, so I have 2-3 things. Let me start with the liquor
Indri.
part first. No, let me start with the liquor part first. 36-year low पे है liquor sales globally. You Gen Z people have ruined liquor companies. Okay. So first of all, if you want to start a liquor brand, think again. Although India में
मेरे दिमाग में
you have.
I don't want to start.
No, I'm saying somebody wants to start a liquor brand, think again because Gen Zs are drinking less. And 2 generations before, obviously, they're older now, so they're drinking less as well, right? So, हम millennials पे सारा बाहर आ रहा है, Zennials पे बाहर आ रहा है, depending on how you define me. But yeah, in India, people are coming up with, especially I've seen interesting gin brands, rum brands, whiskey brands even, where they are trying something different. They're trying, but these are all, a lot of them are passion or they are very technical kind of things, right? With whiskey or gin or rum, that's how you make it, what flavors you are giving, what kind of profile you are giving. There is obviously the branding element, but there's also the taste element, right? When it comes to spirits, there's also affordability element, and then distribution, etc. So the liquor part, I'm saying right now, not good times for liquor companies, spirits companies overall. Generally coming back to
फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अब इसमें कोई बड़े ब्रांड्स तो नहीं है, बट मैं लेट्स से ये एग्जांपल दे देता हूँ. आई रियली हैव फैसिनेशन विथ बिजनेसेस रिलेटेड टू मखानास.
Oh, okay.
So let's say if I am starting a makhana brand,
Right.
how creative can I be? अब अगेन ये बात भी होता है कि अगर मैं कुछ लिखा भी तो कोई और, मान लो मैकडोनल्ड्स ही है फॉर एग्जांपल, उसका हो सकता है वो मंत्रा, या कोई और डिफरेंट, एकदम टोटली डिफरेंट ब्रांड हो, उसका मंत्रा वैसा हो सकता है.
नहीं तो I'll answer your question in a different way. Why do new brands keep coming up? अगर सारे already इतने brands है तो उसका reason ये है प्रणव, that a new successful brand or a new brand which becomes successful is able to identify some change in the environment or in the lifestyle.
So the gap you are saying.
हाँ, कि जो पहले, जैसे हम लोग प्रोटीन बार का एग्जांपल के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, ये पहले क्यों नहीं था? बिकॉज वो एक लाइफस्टाइल नीड हो गया कि यार मुझे ना ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए टाइम नहीं है और मुझे अनहेल्दी भी नहीं खाना है और मैं सिर्फ फ्रूट नहीं खाना चाहता, या मुझे पसंद नहीं, में भी जो भी रीजन है, या मुझे वो स्टोर नहीं करना, फ्रूट खराब हो जाएगा. तो यार आई जस्ट ग्रैब अ प्रोटीन बार और मैं कार में या बस में या चलते हुए वो खा लूंगा. ये लाइफस्टाइल से आया. उसके आप 3-4-5 जनरेशन पहले जाओ तो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट कैसे हुआ? इट वॉज अगेन अ हेल्दियर उस जमाने में, when people were eating sausages and eggs and
obesity का इलाज,
very heavy stuff.
Heavy stuff.
If somebody wanted a light, nutritious breakfast, they said यार बस simple corn flakes, as healthy. उसके ऊपर आप दूध डाल दो, चाहिए तो फ्रूट ऐड करो, और क्या हेल्दी हो सकता है. सो वो जनरेशन में वो हेल्दी था.
True.
आज अगर आप उन किसी को बोलोगे, आपकी जनरेशन के पर्टिकुलरली, they will say too many carbs, नहीं चाहिए मेरे को इतना carbs, राइट ना? तो क्या हुआ? लाइफस्टाइल चेंज हुआ. Same way, if we go back to what we just said about liquor, now you have new brands which are zero alcohol. So there is a brand in India called Sober,
Yeah.
Correct? Now they are doing an entire range without alcohol.
और टेस्ट भी वैसा करेगा
ये
ऐसा.
10 साल पहले शायद वर्क नहीं होता है, 20 साल में तो नहीं वर्क होता. तो फिर से क्यों, फिर मैं ये क्यों पीऊँ? मैं अल्कोहल ही पी लेता हूँ ना, या मैं सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक ही पी लूंगा, ये क्या है? And there is already a company, a very large alcohol group, United Spirits Limited, which is Diageo India.
ओ इसीलिए आरसीबी को लिस्ट कर दिया है बेचने के लिए इन्होंने. इनको सोबर में स्टेक
Sober, which is the brand we are talking about, Diageo India has already taken a stake in them. They have also understood Diageo is United Spirits, right? So they already have so many brands of whiskey, gin, everything. But they have also realized, yeah, this is the future. तो ये नहीं वर्क होता ना. तो इसलिए ऐसा नहीं होगा कि तू जैसे बोल रहा है कि अरे नहीं यार सारा पॉइंट्स तो ले लिया है. Then you have not, probably you need to do more market research, consumer research, कि आज के कंज्यूमर को क्या चाहिए जो उसको नहीं मिल रहा है.
अब जैसे अगर आई लव एप्पल प्रोडक्ट्स,
ओके,
ठीक है, मैं एप्पल से क्यों इतना, वो उनका जो सर्विस है वो तो फिर ठीक है बाद में मैंने एक्सेप्ट किया, बट मुझे कुछ खरीदना है, मुझे कुछ सिस्टम की रिक्वायरमेंट है जिसमें मैं इजीली एडिट कर सकूं. एप्पल इज़ अ रियली गुड सिस्टम, इट प्रोवाइड्स अ रियली गुड सिस्टम, राइट. तो वो सर्विस ओरिएंटेड बात है, बट द वे इट इज़ ऑल्सो मार्केटेड और इट इज़ इंग्रेन्ड इन पीपल्स हेड, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. ओके, सो लेट्स से मैं कोई भी प्रोडक्ट बेच रहा हूँ, लेट्स से मखाना ही लेते हैं, मखाना मैं बेच रहा हूँ, मखाने को अच्छे से पैकेज करके उसमें अच्छे फ्लेवर्स डाल के लोगों को दे रहा हूँ. इट्स अ गुड स्नैक, हेल्दी स्नैक, व्हाटएवर.
करेक्ट.
बट लोगों के दिमाग में मैं ये कैसे फिट कराऊं कि मखाना इज एसोसिएटेड विद माय ब्रांड नेम in today's
So
world.
we are doing
in
a
today's
live,
world.
how do you call it, experiment.
Okay.
Let's say that if we are launching a new makhana brand. So I think first thing we need to understand is, like you said, what's the gap? So either you could do a survey among people who already eat makhana, see the results, or you could do a survey among people who are looking for healthy snacks, and maybe who don't like something about what the makhana products are available. So तुम्हारे केस में see, you are already starting with makhana with good flavor. Don't start with that. Say, okay, let me find out first
Find
what
out the
people are thinking.
problem.
अगर फ्लेवर प्रॉब्लम है तो ग्रेट, देन यू शुड हैव न्यू फ्लेवर.
प्राइसिंग प्रॉब्लम होगा,
प्राइसिंग भी प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, द वे दे आर कुक्ड भी प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, वी डोंट नो.
Correct.
लेट्स नॉट गो इन विथ सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डोंट गो इन विथ प्रीकंसेप्शंस.
हाँ,
जस्ट सी, बिकॉज़ रिमेंबर,
गो डम.
यू, हाँ, वाह, गो डम, या, बिकॉज़ यू आर अ सैंपल साइज ऑफ वन.
करेक्ट.
बहुत बार ये मिस्टेक मैं देखता हूँ इवन इन माय क्लास, राइट, मैं स्टूडेंट से नहीं सर ये नहीं चल रहा है. ओके, क्यों? मुझे और मेरे दोस्तों को पसंद नहीं. दैट्स नॉट इनफ. दैट्स अ गुड स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. दैट्स अ गुड स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट.
एक्सपैंड
थोड़ा और लोगों को पूछो ना. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सेल्स देखो ना, सेल्स कितने ग्रो हुए हैं. ग्रो हुए हैं सेल्स, तो किसी को तो अच्छा लग रहा है. देन यू चेक, आर यू द टीजी? मे बी इट इज नॉट मेंट फॉर यू इन सम केसेस, राइट. तो पहले तो कोई चीज तुमको अच्छी नहीं लग रही, ओके, मे बी दैट इज करेक्ट, राइट, बट मे बी इट्स जस्ट यू. तुमको फ्लेवर अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, तुमको उसका स्टाइल अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, तुमको उसका मे बी लोगो अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. सो आस्क मोर पीपल. If you then, so you are trying to find a gap. और बॉस ये भी हो सकता है that you realize that it's a bad idea. You should not start one more makhana brand. It's possible, that's your end result. So don't be wedded to your idea that नहीं मैं तो करूँगा ही.
नहीं, हाँ, तुम्हारा वो जो भी रिसर्च था वो तुम्हारे फेवर में नहीं आया, आगे बढ़ जाओ, किसी और ब्रांड पे बढ़ जाओ, या छोड़ दो कहीं और चले जाओ.
Now you might read so many stories of entrepreneurs who will say नहीं सबने बोला मत करो, हमने तो भी किया. Okay.
अरे you are amongst one amongst thousand or lakhs.
For whom it worked. For whom it worked, right?
Hmm.
So we are talking about how to go about it in a systematic or a logical way, right? So तुम्हारा एम क्या है? अगर तुम्हारे मखना के खेत है और तुमको मखना बेचना ही है तो अलग बात है, right? But why are you stuck on मखना? Okay, fine. If you want to make a healthy snack, okay, तो फिर then see what else can be healthy, right? So you will find, and again in India in particular, the way our disposable income is growing by and large, the way our population is still growing, right? There are n number of opportunities for someone to create a brand, for someone to develop a brand. Whether it's a channel brand like Business Shake, or it's a food product, or a drink, or even bottled water. You see new now Campa has started Campa Sure, for example, right? Why?
सस्ता हो गया, और
सस्ता है, but कितने ब्रांड्स हैं बॉटल वाटर के? अलग भी कुछ नहीं है. जैसे it's Sure, yeah, शुगर है, Sure है. That's their line, because there is a demand. There is a demand even for something as simple as bottled water. There is a demand. तो मखना के लिए तो होगा ही, या स्नैक्स के लिए तो होगा ही. There is so many things. And India, we luckily have the advantage where the size of the pie is growing, माने कि market is growing, जिससे तो आपको सस्टेनेबिलिटी मिल जाएगा कि भाई किसी तरह से तुम उसमें सर्वाइव करोगे टिल यू आर एबल टू बिकम बेटर एंड बेटर, इंप्रूव योर फ्लेवर, इंप्रूव योर ब्रांडिंग, इंप्रूव योर एडवर्टाइजिंग, यू विल गेट सम ब्रीदिंग रूम. If you are in a country, if you are in an economy where the economy is shrinking, then you are in trouble ना. ये और ओवरऑल मार्केट ही कम हो रहा है, उसमें मैं कैसे सर्वाइव करूंगा?
And is that the case like somewhere in
Most
any
Europe,
country?
most of Europe,
Most of Europe,
most
yes.
of Europe, right? If they get 2-3% growth, they are like, oh my god, 2-3% grow हुआ हमारा economy, oh my god.
Is that why they are still kind of open with a lot of migrants coming and settling down?
I'm not an expert in that subject, but yeah, I mean,
But do you think that would help? So let's say a lot of people from other countries are coming and settling in Europe.
I don't know
Would
whether
that help
would-
increase their market?
GDP yes, right? Just because if you can employ those people to start to do more production, but you still need markets, which is why right now EU has concluded a trade deal with India, right? Because they need markets.
It's being called mother of all trades.
Correct. Mother of all deals, right?
Mother
And one of the things in that deal is that they will be able to export cars from there to here. The quota has been increased and the tax has been reduced on on the tariff, which means they have a market. Now it's up to them to be successful. The Indians already have a lot of choice in cars.
Correct.
It's just because एक और ब्रांड आएगा यूके से या यूरोप से, फिर हम लोग अरे यार अच्छा हुआ यार तुम आ गए.
नहीं जैसे आपने ये बोला कोटा बढ़ गया, टैरिफ कम हो गया, भाई बेस्ट BMW आ रही है घर पे ऐसा.
हाँ मतलब
तो क्योंकि थोड़ा टैक्स स्लैब कम होगा जो भी.
बट देन एवरीबॉडी विल कम ना, एवरीबॉडी विल इट विल बेनिफिट ऑल ऑफ देम ना. तो तुमको फिर भी तुमको डिफरेंशिएट तो करना पड़ेगा ना खुद को.
Yeah, true.
Most of the brands are here.
True.
ठीक है, टैरिफ कम होगा बट BMW का कम होगा तो मर्सिडीज का भी कम.
I mean, I think India, US, all these markets are very मतलब कार ओरिएंटेड कि भाई मुझे एक पर्सनल कार हो, पर्सनल व्हीकल.
यस
राइट. बस फर्क इतना है अमेरिका में जगह है, तुम चला सकते हो.
अग्रीड.
यहाँ नहीं. आई थिंक चाइना में था बट बिकॉज ऑफ पॉल्यूशन एंड एवरीथिंग दे हैव लाइक बहुत ज्यादा रिजिड बना दिया है.
China has done amazing things with EVs, amazing brands, and some of them are coming to India already. You already have MG, which is technically Chinese owned, although now they have become a minority partner, and GSW has become the major shareholder. That's what I read. But they have great EVs. They are coming to India. BYD is in India, right? I think
क्या बढ़ रहा है BYD.
Exactly, right?
टेस्ला के तो घोड़े लगा दिए हैं.
Tesla last year, no? Was it last year? We made a video on BYD, right?
हाँ.
So
सब पे बना है.
already surpassed Tesla in number of cars sold.
हाँ.
Right.
And within 4-5 years they have
Correct.
done.
Right. And now Tesla is losing market share left, right, center. Because your European cars have all come up with their, Porsche has a great electric car, Mercedes has great electric car, BMW has electric cars, तो luxury electric cars भी है, और affordable electric cars भी है, BYD से लेके सब कुछ. तो फिर भाई तुम कौन?
And every country which has that technology are launching their own cars.
Correct.
जैसे वियतनाम का एक कंपनी
VinFast. Yes, they are in India as well.
हाँ.
So just because European brand, and again when you're talking about tariffs, as I understand, that will be for cars which are directly sent. So I think completely knocked down units जिसको बोलते हैं, उन पे टैरिफ कम होगा. That's my understanding. I have not read the whole deal obviously.
Okay.
But Indians people say ठीक है, but मेरे को VinFast में इतने में मिल रहा है ना, या BYD इतने में मिल रहा है ना. ठीक है, यूरोपियन है, ओके ठीक है, ब्रांड है, but how much more?
Do you think that is a healthy competition considering because it would be
Because Tesla is also in India.
a good price for us as compared to क्योंकि
Lot of competition is always good for consumers, right? And India में see there are 2-3 things ना, मतलब we are growing faster than any other major economy. They are seeing that our disposable income overall, people are becoming well off or better off, right? So obviously everybody wants a piece of the pie. बचा क्या है यार वर्ल्ड में, मतलब when we talk about this, again I'm not an economist, but अभी now what is remaining is Africa, which is the next big opportunity. But I don't think anybody has figured out कि उसको कैसे ट्रैक पे लाए. जैसे इंडिया, if you see, right from the 90s, right, when we started liberalization, अपना ट्रैजेक्टरी इज मोर और लेस सेम. हाँ, कभी 8% आता है, 6% आता है, लेकिन स्लोप मोर और लेस सेम है. नाउ नोबडी इज वरीड कि सडनली हम लोग एक दिन रिसेशन में चले जाएंगे. नहीं होने वाला है. नहीं होने वाला है, कांग्रेस आए बीजेपी आए कोई भी आए, गवर्नमेंट हो ना हो तो
गवर्नमेंट
डायरेक्शन इज, एवरी गवर्नमेंट अग्रीज कि भाई ये इस तरफ जाना है, फिर थोड़ा सा वो कुछ ये कम करेंगे, एक आध प्रोडक्ट पे टैरिफ करेंगे, ये करेंगे, तो ओके, माइनर 1-8% इधर उधर होगा, वैसा nobody has figured out, maybe I have not read enough, but nobody has figured out what to do. In fact,
इन अफ्रीका, अरे तो क्या है, जैसे ये कितने सारे यूरोपियन नेशंस हैं, ये इधर से पूरा इनका अभी भी कंट्रोल है, करेक्ट, बट होनी नहीं चाहिए। नाउ द थिंग इज, इतना ज़्यादा जो एक्सप्लॉयटेशन है उस वजह से ना चीज़ें रुकी हुई हैं,
अच्छा,
उधर उतना ग्रोथ नहीं हो पा रहा है। नाउ दिस माइट नॉट बी ट्रू, बट दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव अंडरस्टूड,
right.
after consuming whatever content I am consuming on YouTube, let's say, or just reading articles about it.
No, see, but Pranav, my point, I'm not saying that anybody is selfless. All these companies are coming to India for their selfish reasons.
Yes.
Right. But if I can use the term win-win, India की economy grow रहा है तो Indians are also benefiting and they are also benefiting. I am saying they have not been, nobody has been able to figure out how to create that win-win in Africa. एक्सप्लॉइट तो हो गए ना, मतलब वो उनके प्रोडक्ट्स वहां भी बेचेंगे,
क्योंकि हालत इतनी खराब है वहां, कैसे विन विन बना है।
That is, that's, and in fact South Africa has also been going backwards, what I read, if you have been also reading those things, last couple of years उनके हालत खराब हो रही है।
I wish that was the case in cricket as well.
Yeah, they just defeated us.
अरे भाई,
oh god, really, really. So yeah, I gave up on the match afterwards. I said यार नहीं होने वाला है ये। So since you're talking about Africa, right now some Indian brands are doing well there.
Okay.
So Indian two-wheelers are doing very well there.
Hero.
हाँ, Hero, Bajaj, even TVS, I think. They have more or less replaced very cheap Chinese brands which were being sold.
Tata have their trucks as well there.
Trucks तो चल ही रहा है. Trucks Southeast Asia, Africa, because they are very affordable. Mahindra is expanding in Australia with all of their cars, Scorpio, ये वो सारे cars.
Australia में.
Oh,
nice.
Because again, affordable option. वहाँ पे huge country, right?
Yeah.
Massive country.
Coast पे ही
हाँ,
है जो.
but इसके लिए जगह बहुत है. So they and lot of their farms वगैरह पे they need those actual 4x4s. अपने तो रोड पे चलाते हैं, हालांकि अपने रोड वैसे ही है, but वहाँ पे they actually need it, right? Off-roading के लिए. So there, for some random reason, I just YouTube videos popped up about your Mahindra Basic, वो जो उनका या तो Bolero.
अच्छा.
कि अरे यार एकदम सस्ता ऑप्शन है, तुम ज्यादा एक्सपेक्ट मत करो, बट कुछ होगा नहीं, इसको हट्टा कट्टा है. एंड सो यू वाज सेइंग द वीडियो दैट आई वॉच्ड, यू वाज सेइंग यार एक्चुअली मैं मेरे फार्म पे इसको यूज करता हूँ, कुछ नहीं होता है मेरे फार्म पे, मतलब ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ फार्म, तो रोड्स आर नॉट गुड, रोड्स क्या बोले उसको, पाथ्स आर नॉट गुड, तो वैसे टाइप के नहीं. सेम थिंग विद अफ्रीका, राइट? रोड्स आर हॉरिबल.
करेक्ट.
तो वहाँ पे तेरा महिंद्रा, टाटा ट्रक्स आर गोइंग देयर, टू व्हीलर्स आर गोइंग. सो they have understood that because its brand, even with Hero, was that durable, reliable, simple. इसको कुछ नहीं होगा. इसको एक टर्म है जो लोग टोयोटा के बारे में बोलते थे, बुलेट प्रूफ इंजन.
अभी भी है टोयोटा का वो.
हाँ, बट टोयोटा भी आई थिंक नाउ दे आर थिंकिंग कि थोड़ा तो हमको प्रीमियम मिलना चाहिए ना, वो इतने साल से कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
राइट. तो अभी दे हैव स्टॉप्ड ना, दे लेफ्ट इंडियन मार्केट में. दे आर नॉट मेकिंग एनी सेडान्स और हैचबैक्स. They are only making your SUVs.
Hilux.
हाँ, correct.
क्या गाड़ी है Hilux?
गाड़ी बहुत अच्छी है, वहाँ यहाँ पे वो बना रहे हैं. And they are only getting it. That's again an interesting example of branding. They are buying the car from Suzuki. They are rebranding it and selling it and still it's selling.
Which car are they buying?
Hyrider है, Glanza है.
अच्छा,
ये Toyota branded है, जो Glanza is nothing but Baleno.
Okay.
Hyrider is Brezza.
अच्छा.
So they are just rebadging it. और माइनर कॉस्मेटिक कुछ चेंजेस कर रहे हैं.
ओके.
और अभी विटारा के लिए भी कुछ आया है जो मैं नाम भूल गया उसका. विटारा को भी रीब्रांड करके उन्होंने भी बेच रहे हैं.
अच्छा.
सो दे आर नॉट मेकिंग इट, दे हैव गॉट इनटू अ पार्टनरशिप और एग्रीमेंट विद सुजुकी. दे विल बाय द कार्स फ्रॉम सुजुकी, दे विल जस्ट डू द उसका बोलते हैं ना मेकअप, कॉस्मेटिक्स, बिकॉज़ दे डोंट वांट टू लीव ऑल टुगेदर.
तो ये सब, ये जो बड़ी-बड़ी महंगी गाड़ियां हैं, ये सब
ये वो बनाएंगे. हाँ, करेक्ट. वो बोले भाई फॉर्च्यूनर हमको बनाना है, ऑब्वियसली लेक्सस पूरा रेंज जो टोयोटा ही है वो पूरा वो करेंगे, राइट. सेडान उन्होंने पूरा बंद कर दिया एज फार एज आई नो. कैमरी अभी भी चल रहा है. इटियोस उन्होंने बंद कर दिया. दैट वाज देयर एंट्री लेवल, राइट? इटियोस एंड पीपल यूज्ड टू लव इट, बट समहाउ दे वर नॉट सक्सेसफुल. उनका जो भी एक्सपेक्टेशन था वो नहीं हुआ. पहले तो उनका वो सेडान आया था छोटा, और फिर उसका हैचबैक भी आया इटियोस, बट वो नहीं चला.
I mean, Kia is doing really well.
Kia is doing well, but which is Hyundai, so they know the.
अच्छा.
Yes. So
ओके
what they are trying to do is Hyundai wants to move into थोड़ा सा प्रीमियम,
हाँ,
और आपको एकदम बेसिक चाहिए ना तो आप किया ले लो.
तो ब्रांडिंग के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में ये कहाँ फॉल करता है, ये सारी प्लानिंग्स?
ये प्लानिंग होती है ब्रांड आर्किटेक्चर में.
अच्छा,
तो जैसे आपका ब्रांड ग्रो होने लगता है, यू स्टार्ट योर ब्रांड वेरिएंट्स, यू स्टार्ट ब्रांड लाइंस, यू स्टार्ट सब ब्रांड्स, और फिर उन ब्रांड्स को तुम धीरे धीरे हाइव ऑफ करके अलग अलग आइडेंटिटी देते हो. थिंक ऑफ इट लाइक, एग्जाम्पल दूँ तो पहले वो तुम्हारा बच्चा है, तुमको उसको प्रोटेक्ट करना है, ट्रेनिंग देना है. जैसे वो बड़ा हो जाता है उसको बोलते हो यार तुम तुम्हारा भी घर अलग चालू करो. इसका मैं एग्जाम्पल तुमको, यू कैन गिव इट विद टाइटन,
सोनाटा.
फास्ट ट्रैक.
अच्छा,
हाँ, सोनाटा, फास्ट ट्रैक. फास्ट ट्रैक जब चालू हुआ इट वाज टाइटन फास्ट ट्रैक.
हाँ,
नाउ इट्स जस्ट फास्ट ट्रैक. अभी वो अलग ब्रांड है, यूथ ब्रांड फास्ट ट्रैक. वो सनग्लासेस भी बनाते हैं, वॉचेस भी बनाते हैं, बहुत कुछ बनाते हैं, बैग्स बनाते हैं. So Titan has done that so well with so many of its brands. Sonata, as you said, Sonata is Sonata now. It's Sonata by Tata. Titan लिखते भी नहीं है.
करेक्ट, हाँ.
Right? So they have a bunch of brands which
A Tata product, yeah.
Tanishq. Tanishq is owned by Titan. It was Titan Tanishq. Now it's just Tanishq. उनको भी जरूरत नहीं है. It's doing fantastically well for Titan.
करेक्ट.
Right? It's jewelry. It was a completely new business for Tata. They were the first company in India to get it to, मतलब जिन्होंने गोल्ड स्मिथ, सोनार गोल्ड स्मिथ्स को फॉर्मलाइज या ऑर्गेनाइज किया ना, तब तक तो यू हैड यूर ज्वेलर, मेरे पहचान का ज्वेलर होता था.
हाँ.
They said नहीं बॉस, we can get into this market.
Nice.
Which is also what Lenskart did with optics. उसके पहले you had no player.
Correct.
That's why I love Lenskart as a brand, as a concept. इट वॉज यूनिक ओरिजिनल इंडिया आइडिया कि यार इतने सारे ब्रांड्स हैं लेकिन एक भी चेन नहीं है. चेन ऑफ स्टोर्स कौन है? कोई भी नहीं था. एंड नाउ टाइटन एंड रिलायंस आर फॉलोइंग देम. वी मेड अ रील ऑन लेंसकार्ट आल्सो, रिमेंबर? तो टाइटन रिलायंस सेड अरे यार ये तो हम भी कर सकते हैं. सो दैट इज ब्रांडिंग. टाइटन आई प्लस.
हाँ.
एंड रिलायंस इज विजन एक्सप्रेस नाम का एक ब्रांड है.
अच्छा,
उन्होंने खरीदा.
उनका भी है?
हाँ,
Okay.
उन्होंने खरीदा, शायद विजन एक्सप्रेस नाम है. वी कैन जस्ट चेक दैट. सो विजन एक्सप्रेस जो ब्रांड है, दैट इज नाउ देयर चेन ऑफ स्टोर्स. सो ये आइडिया दैट लेंसकार्ट डिड, फर्स्ट ऑनलाइन देन ऑफलाइन, नाउ देयर स्टोर्स आल्सो. They're one of the early ones who were able to do that entire chain end to end and create. iPlus was there, नहीं ऐसा नहीं, but this the way Lenskart grew and developed that sector was amazing. So coming back to your point about, so you start
architecture.
developing your sub brands. Look at Volkswagen family. Volkswagen is one company.
Crazy.
बराबर ना, पर उनका Skoda भी उनका ही है,
हाँ.
Volkswagen भी उनका ही है, Audi भी उनका ही है, और Bentley भी उनका ही है. Right? तो same Hyundai said, अरे Kia can be another brand for us, which is more value for money.
Okay, so Hyundai is महंगा.
That's what they want to do. They want to go up market. थोड़ा उनकी गाड़ियाँ जब भी आ रही है ना, ज़्यादा अच्छे फीचर्स है, more luxury features. Yes. जैसे अभी उन्होंने Venue जो लॉन्च की है,
Okay.
they are giving them really amazing features.
अच्छा.
तुमको सस्ती चाहिए ना, तुम Sonet ले लो ना.
Correct.
सेम है, मतलब सेम इन सेंस वही कैटेगरी में,
लाइन पे है.
वही कैटेगरी में है.
तो किया कार्निवाल को कहाँ प्लेस करेंगे फिर?
नहीं, मुझे नहीं मालूम उनका
वो
क्या
तो
है.
बहुत
आई थिंक
महंगा
दे हैव
है.
अल्कजार. हाँ, बट वो कैटेगरी में वो कितना महंगा है, वो
अच्छा.
जिस कैटेगरी में है,
अच्छा. Okay.
उस कैटेगरी में दे विल ट्राई एंड बी वेरी गुड वैल्यू फॉर मनी, नॉट चीप वैल्यू फॉर मनी.
Okay.
इतना सब मिल रहा है मुझे. जैसे
That is
कैरेंस
Kia.
भी है, दैट इज किया. कैरेंस भी महंगी है, बट उसकी कैटेगरी में वो सस्ती होगी.
I like Karen's as a car.
हाँ, तो अभी कैरेंस के कैटेगरी में इफ यू गूगल यू विल गेट ऑल द ब्रांड्स, देन यू चेक द प्राइस, इट विल बी चीपर देन Hyundai. कार्निवाल तो एकदम ही हाई एंड है उनका. आई एग्री विथ यू. आई डोंट नो एग्जैक्ट किसके साथ कंपीट करती है,
Okay.
बट दीस गाइज डू द मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी एंड देन टेल यू कि हाँ देखो ये इसके साथ, ये मैं इसके साथ इसको compete करूंगा.
समझा.
तो that's the idea, that you develop your entire brand architecture. You develop, जैसे डेयरी मिल्क फेमस था, राइट? बिकॉज इंडिया में चॉकलेट का मतलब डेयरी मिल्क.
Correct.
एंड देयर वाज अ रीजन फॉर इट. दे केम वे बिफोर. दे मतलब बोलते ना, उन्होंने इंडिया को चॉकलेट से मिलवाया या चॉकलेट से परिचय करवाया, राइट? कि चॉकलेट ये ऐसा होता है, ये खाने के बाद खाओ, ये मीठा है. दिस इज देयर होल एड वाज लाइक कुछ मीठा हो जाए. दे हैव बीन ट्राइंग टू कन्विंस यू कि भाई मीठा, ये भी मिठाई है, दिस इज लाइक अ मिठाई. नाउ बिकॉज दैट डेयरी मिल्क हैज सच अ स्ट्रॉन्ग, तुम्हारे दिमाग में कोई डेयरी मिल्क रात को बोलो हाँ चॉकलेट. सो व्हाट हैव दे डन नाउ? दे हैव एन एंटायर फैमिली ऑफ ब्रांड्स. यू हैव डेयरी मिल्क सिल्क, You have Dairy Milk Silk Oreo.
Apsara and Natraj.
Upside nut. Ah, yes. Right. So every brand can develop that if it's successful. पार्ले जी ने क्या किया, पार्ले जी में से पार्ले लेके पूरा रेंज बनाया ना, कंपनी है उनका भी पूरा.
हाँ.
So पार्ले हाइड एंड सीक, पार्ले मिलानो, पार्ले एवरीथिंग,
हाइड एंड सीक तो क्या बिस्किट
है ना. सो बट तुमको क्या, व्हेन यू फर्स्ट सॉ इट यू लाइक, अच्छा पार्ले का है, हाँ ओके, यू ट्रस्ट दैट ब्रांड, यू नो दैट ब्रांड, दैट इज गुड बिस्किट. लॉट ऑफ माय जनरेशन हैव ग्रोन अप with Parle G.
आई थिंक मैं हाइड एंड सीक खाता था, मुझे बहुत लंबे समय तक नहीं पता था पार्ले का.
Oh really?
हाँ.
बट तुझे मालूम नहीं था, लेकिन तू नहीं खरीद रहा था, तेरी मॉम को मालूम था वो पार्ले का है. अंडरस्टैंड दैट. यू आर नॉट द बायर, यू आर नॉट द डिसीजन मेकर बैक देन ना. कि उन्होंने पूरा पार्ला एक प्रोडक्ट से कितना उनका मोनाको मारी भी, उनका खुद का एक मारी भी है, क्रैक जैक भी है, 50-50 भी है. देखा पूरा डायनेस्टी बनाया ना एक प्रोडक्ट से. और ये सारे ब्रांड्स है ना इन देयर ओन राइट. ये सारे ब्रांड्स, तू बोलेगा किसी को क्रैक जैक, तो बोले हाँ क्रैक जैक क्या मस्त है. वो ऐसा नहीं बोलेगा कि क्रैक जैक किसका है, पार्ले जी हाँ अच्छा है, नहीं, वो बोलेगा क्रैक जैक. These were the early, you know what I like about these guys. मैं ब्रांडिंग के बारे में शाम तक बात कर पाऊंगा. These are the early Indian people who understood brands. When we were still all about value for money तो है ही. बट तभी वो लोग ने ब्रांड डेवलप किया. उनको समझा कि लोग ना ब्रांड खरीदते हैं. लोग दुकान में जाके ये नहीं बोलते कि पार्ले जी का कुछ है क्या, या पार्ले ने कुछ अच्छा बनाया है क्या. वो बोलते क्रैक जैक दे. वो जो पावर है ना, वो दुकानदार बोलेगा अरे क्रैक जैक मेरे पास नहीं होगा ना, मेरा कस्टमर भाग जाएगा, वो क्रैक जैक रखेगा. दैट इज पुल मार्केटिंग. यू आर क्रिएटिंग अ ब्रांड वेयर पर्सन डजंट गो इन एंड से ऐसा कुछ सॉल्टी हल्का बिस्किट है क्या, नहीं मोनाको दे. दैट्स द ब्रांडिंग. दैट्स ब्रांडिंग ना.
राइट.
ये तभी वो लोग को रियलाइज हुआ. इंडिया वाज नॉट लिबरलाइज्ड, वी डिडंट हैव इंटरनेट, ग्लोबलाइजेशन, ये वो. तभी वो लोग को मालूम हुआ कि यार ऐसे ब्रांड बनाओ ना, बाद में कोई भी आए, मॉन्डेरेस भी आ जाए तो भी क्रैक जैक नहीं हिलेगा. हाँ, फिर उनके पास उनका पोर्टफोलियो दे हैव रिट्स, दैट्स द मोनाको का कॉम्पिटिटर.
ओके,
रिट्स.
ठीक है.
व्हिच इज प्रोबब्ली स्टार्टेड बिफोर मोनाको, राइट. बट यहाँ पे लोग बोलेंगे अरे ये कौन सा मोनाको है ये. बराबर ना. मैं तो मोनाको है, कोई मोनाको है. आई जस्ट सॉ देयर इज दिस इंपोर्टेड बिस्किट दैट शिट व्हाट इज द नेम. 2 क्रैकर्स और बीच में चीज आता है उसमें, एक इंपोर्टेड बिस्किट है, माल्किस्ट.
अच्छा.
So now 50-50 has launched 50-50 cheesy, which is like a copy of Malkist. So now they are copying.
हाँ, वो बहुत टेस्टी लगता है लेकिन.
The Malkist ना?
नहीं, वो नहीं खाया हूँ, लेकिन ये क्रैक जैक वाला ही.
क्रैक जैक नहीं, this is 50-50 cheesy.
50 वही जो ब्रेड जैसा, सैंडविच जैसा होता है ना.
सैंडविच जैसा.
हाँ, वो टेस्टी बहुत लगता है.
मैंने कल परसों ऐड उसका पहली बार देखा.
मतलब उस स्टाइल के तो और बिस्किट्स आते हैं.
वही वो that Malkist I think is the original one. It is an imported biscuit.
ओके.
इंडिया में वो कोई नहीं बनाता था जहाँ तक मुझे मालूम है.
अच्छा.
We can check, but
होगा. या तो फिर मैं कुछ और इमेजिन कर रहा हूँ, किसी और वाला बोल रहा है. नहीं, इट्स रेक्टेंगल.
हाँ, तो वही है वो.
अच्छा, तो फिर
वो इंपोर्ट होके मिलता है इंडिया में, काफी मिलता है वो, बट वो इट्स नॉट मेड इन इंडिया.
अच्छा,
इट्स इंपोर्टेड.
तो फिर हो सकता है वही खाया हूँ मैं
मोस्ट लाइकली.
हाँ.
तो ये लोग ने, मैं देखा वाला अच्छा इसको फाइनली कॉपी किया. मतलब दैट मींस आई एम गोइंग अवे फ्रॉम ब्रांडिंग. दैट मींस दे हैव गॉट सम गुड मार्केट शेयर. सो दिस गाइस, इन्होंने मार्केट रिसर्च किया कि यार ये अपने को बनाना पड़ेगा. एंड नाउ दे आर मार्केटिंग इट. दे हैव Pant and Jemima in the ad.
अच्छा.
And they are eating and they are saying, you didn't see T20 में आ रहा है उसका वर्ल्ड कप के ऐड के बीच में बार बार वो ऐड आ रहा है.
ओके.
They are eating it and they are making some comment about
तो ये टीवी पे आ रहा होगा.
ये मेरे OTT पे, जियो हॉटस्टार
पे आ रहा है.
जियो हॉटस्टार के बीच में.
पर्सनलाइज्ड एड.
यस.
ऐसे तो अभी मतलब और कई सारे सवाल हैं.
I think Pranav, we should have one more session sometime.
हाँ, है 100%. But I have one last question.
Yes, please.
How do you see yourself in terms of teaching? How do you see yourself in next few years? What do you really hope कि हाँ ये हो, या इस तरह से मैं लोगों तक पहुंचूं?
You are saying how brand Abhishek will develop in the next few years then?
Yeah, उस तरह से
about branding, right?
इस तरह से बोल सकते हैं कि मैं होप करता हूँ, मैं चाहता हूँ कि अब जैसे कई सारे इतने बड़े बड़े एजुकेटर्स हैं ऑन इंटरनेट, ठीक. अब there are very less people who really enjoys this thing called teaching, ठीक. तो मेरे दिमाग में तो हमेशा रहेगा how can you reach out to more and more students,
right,
and those students are not just 17, 18, 19, 20 year old people.
Okay.
It could be anyone of your age as well. It could
Perfect.
be anyone of
Yes,
your
yes,
who is 50, 60 as well. इतना accessible आप कैसे होगे?
Correct,
क्या
correct.
इसके बारे में कभी आप सोचते हो?
Lovely. मेरा thinking when we discussed about business shake exactly ये था. It was to reach people through YouTube, through Instagram, whatever, with these basic ideas about marketing. These basic concepts which they hear, like brand. ये word हर एक आदमी सुनता है दुनिया में. Brand. But इतनी डिटेल किसको है? I mean, they might be in different fields, right? They might be doctors, they might be lawyers, they might be security guards, they might be doing anything in the world, right? But they want to know and they're interested. So my idea is, no, why was, but is with Business Shake, is to have these kind of sessions, classrooms, whatever you want to call them, where we go through these basic ideas, words that you have heard, terms that you know, but uska thoda proper meaning with examples. ऐसे सेशंस या ऐसे क्लासरूम्स ऐसे क्लासेस करना, दैट्स माय आइडिया विद बिजनेस शेक. सो दैट्स द रीजन वी आर मेकिंग ऑल दीज reels with brands, etc., to create that environment, to create that idea in their heads that yeah, we should learn about this. So wherever you are, just if you remember, that's what he said about business shake, right? Anytime, anywhere, like a shake, right? A protein
Yes.
shake, right? You quickly have
Mantra.
That's our mantra, right? 10, 15, 20-minute session where you can get some knowledge and be like, अच्छा ठीक है, ये मैं समझ गया. So that's how I feel I can reach more people. Till then, I enjoy, like I said, I enjoy teaching. I'm addicted to teaching. So that will continue. And then we will take this to the next level where we can have sessions or classrooms online.
Yes. Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. समझा. Any question that you have for me?
कभी करना ही है.
जब कुछ followers बढ़ जाए.
5,000 followers के बाद.
हाँ.